Hello everyone, this is Mr. Janky, and we are back for Primary Scratch Junior Challenge number 7. And today I would like to show you how to create a parallel event in Scratch Junior. What a parallel event is it's when you have a sprite or multiple sprites doing something, maybe moving or jumping or turning, but they do it all with basically the click of one button. So when I click on something, it's going to do several things at one time. So on my stage here, I've got Scratchy the cat. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find a command block. So how do I want my code to start? And in this case, I want my code to start with when I touch the green flag. Okay, so just as a beginning, let's say when I touch the green flag, I would like Scratchy the cat to move forward, and I'm going to make it say 9 steps, and then I'm going to have Scratchy move back 9 steps. So really I just want Scratchy to move to the right 9 and then back to the left 9. It's a very simple piece of code. You would have written something this simple as well. So when I press the green flag, here we go, moves to the right and then back to the left 9. Okay, so that's great. Really simple. I'm gonna have my reset button. And then now what I want to do is, this time when I do this, I want Scratchy to do something else at the same time. So for that, I need another command block. And it needs to be the same. So when I press the green flag, at this point, Scratchy's going to go right 9 and then left 9. But I also want Scratchy to do something else. So what I'm going to have Scratchy do is I'm going to have Scratchy get larger. So here he's going to get larger by 2. I'm going to make it 6. And then I'm going to have him say hi. And then I'm going to have him get smaller by 6. So he should do all of this at the same time. When I press the green flag, he is going to move right 9, move left 9. At the same time, he's going to get larger by 6, say hi, and then get smaller by 6. Let's see how the code goes. I don't know if it's going to work perfectly. Let's take a look. So press the green flag. So see, he was actually doing 2 things at the same time. Now maybe I want him to do this continuously. I don't want him to stop both of these things. So if I now go to my repeat block, which is a red block, I'm going to put a repeat on both of those. So now when I start my code, Scratchy will do both of these things, these parallel events. They're both happening at the same time when I press the green flag. So here we go. And there he is. He keeps moving left and right, and he keeps getting larger, saying hi, and then getting smaller. So now I'm going to click the stop button up at the top. That's a fairly simple example of how to create a parallel event, which is great. The next step is, what if I add a second sprite? Okay, so I'm going to come over, I'm going to click on my plus. I'm going to choose a second sprite, and in this case, I am going to choose the pig. So click the pig, click the check mark. Now I've got my pig here on my stage. I know what Scratchy's going to do. Now what's the pig going to do? Well, to make the pig work in a parallel way to Scratchy, I want to make sure I have the same command block to start. So the pig is going to start when I click the green flag as well. So the pig, I would like the pig to say oink. So there is no oink option on here, so I'm going to have to do that. I'm going to click on my microphone, and now I'm going to record. So here we go. Oink, 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 oink. I can play it back to see if I like it. Oink, 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 oink. Perfect pig right there. So it's now sound number 1. So if I run my code now, my pig is going to say oink, just as I've recorded, and Scratchy will move left and right continuously. He'll get larger, say hi, and then also get smaller. So let's run it to take a look. Let's see how it looks. Oink, 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 oink. So it's not bad, but I feel like the pig needs to do something else as well. So I'm going to bring down another click when the green flag starts. And what should we do with our pig? Let's have our pig move a little bit. Let's have our pig. I think our pig's going to spin. So he's going to turn. I'm going to make the turn 5, but I'm also going to put on it the repeat forever. So it's basically going to make our pig spin. I also want him to keep saying oink over and over and over and over and over. So now when I run the code, Scratchy the cat is going to move left and right as he did continuously. He's going to get larger, say hi, get smaller. He's going to keep doing that. And our pig is going to say oink over and over and over. And he should turn, but he's going to continuously turn. So it's going to be like he's spinning. So here we go. Let's run our code. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. And now I'm going to stop. So this actual code itself, it may not make a lot of sense. It's just for fun. I just wanted you to see how to create a parallel event. And really the important part here is to make sure that you're starting with the same command block. So in this case, both pieces of code for the pig started with the green flag, and both pieces of code for Scratchy started with the green flag. Okay? So that's a really easy way to have parallel events or more than one thing happening with one click for your sprites. And notice you can do this with multiple sprites. This is a nice quick video to show you parallel events. And then in the next video, we are going to take the content of this video and the one before it to make it actually come together really nicely. So the next video is going to have broadcasting and parallel events together. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you at the next Primary Scratch Challenge.